So when you're applying lashes, it's really important to have really stable hands. So you want anchor points at every point possible. So for me, my elbows are down on the side of the bed. We want our pinky on the side of the face or on the nose. That way every movement is precise. So when I first started, no one taught me about this. This is all things that I had to learn myself. And my mum, super mean, I would rest really hard on her face and not realize it because I'm not used to working on people's faces back then. And she would say, "Joy, what are you doing? Stupid idiot, you're gonna ruin my face. You're squashing my face. You're gonna make me old." That's real. Or I'd rest on her nose and she's gonna ruin my nose. "What are you doing? Stupid." Because my mum had a nose job. And it wasn't fresh, but she didn't want me to ruin it because she's all about the anti-aging lifestyle. So I actually used to, I know, you were like, "Why are you telling us this?" Because I used to, let me show you, I used to apply lashes like this where I would have no anchor points. And it used to take me a lot longer because I was so scared of touching my client's face, thanks to Mum. But that's okay. I learned eventually. So my application was a lot longer than what it had to be because I couldn't get those quick, precise motions. So make sure that you're sitting with your elbows down on the side of the bed, sitting up nice and straight. We want that side of the hand resting on the nose just lightly. We're not squashing the nose. So think of my mum when you're moving over to the other eye. And I used to have to work on the corner of clients' beds or on the edge of their couch. There was nowhere to rest my lash tile. So you'll see my pinky points every time I pick up a lash or lay a lash down. I have my pinky somewhere where it's resting, super stable, super quick points.